So lately, many of your favorite YouTubers are starting to use these talking animations, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make talking animation using CapCut and CapCut alone. I'm not gonna be using some Lexart like some other YouTubers are showing or Photoshop. None of this stuff. We're only gonna be using CapCut to create something like this.
Hello, I'm a talking animated character using CapCut only.
So with that being said, hopefully you guys are excited. Let's dive right in. All right, so first and foremost, those of you who are newcomers, hi, my name is Fozil. I'm a professional video editor. I've been working as a professional video editor for the last 5 years. Just wanted to put that out there. But nonetheless, let's just dive right into the video and jump into my computer. So now that I'm on my computer, this is gonna be the final result. As you guys can see, we're gonna have this nice little animation in the bedroom, talking to the camera. We have the microphone, we have the monitor. You'll have something similar to this by the end of this video. So let's go ahead and step number one, start a new project. What we need to do is open up CapCut and then click on new project. Once you click on new project, everything that I'm gonna be importing in today's video will be down in the description. You can simply download it using the link down below. I made this to make your life a lot easier. Otherwise, you can, find from free stock images or even Google and then remove the background yourself using the remove.bg. But to make everything simple and smooth, you can follow along, just downloading everything, all the things that we need. We're just gonna go ahead, drag and drop everything that we're gonna be using in today's video. Once you drop everything you've downloaded, you've imported into the CapCut application, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off by using the background. Go ahead and drag and drop the background. Once you have the background, we're gonna click on the ratio, customize, and make this 1920 by 1080, and then change this to talking animation, just like this. And then to make everything run smoother, we're gonna create a proxy, make it 540p, so that way we don't have any lagging issues, especially if you have a computer that is a little bit laggy. And then we need to smoothly scale this into about 122, just like so. Once you have the background dropped into your timeline, next thing we need is this table right here. We're gonna go ahead. As you guys can see, everything is nicely cut out. All the background is removed, beautifully cut out for you to just easily use. Although you can use a remove background or Photoshop if you have to remove any, these stickers, any of these stickers that you find online to just make it nicely, but I just made everything easy for you guys. Just gonna place it in the middle, just like so. And then the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna add the character. This character, to be completely honest with you guys, I created this in CapCut as well. What I did is I went to the AI generated, and then I just typed in literally anime character boy short hair, and then I used this one right here. And I just removed the background using the remove background.com or whatever the website name is. I just removed the mouse as well, as you guys can see. So now we can just drop the character and then make sure this character is below the table, otherwise it will not look like this, because basically table has to be on top of the character like this. And then the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna drag and drop the monitor and then obviously make it smaller, so that way it's like a reasonable size, so it shouldn't be bigger than the character itself. Obviously you can play around with this and then make it like this and like so. This is looking pretty nice. We can just make the character slightly smaller like this right there. As you guys can see, the next thing is the microphone. I've also removed the background of the microphone. You can use any microphone, to be honest, but this microphone looks pretty slick. We're gonna make it small and put it right below the mouth, right like this. And then the next thing is the most important thing is putting the mouth over here. I found this on Pexbay, I believe. Yeah, I'll leave the link in the description, or I can also show you guys. So what I did is I just looked up free talking mouth green screen, and I found this on Pixabay. It's completely free to download. You can just click on download and then download any size you want. But if you want to download the HD, the most high quality, you have to sign up for free. But I'm just gonna download 960 by 540, click download, it's gonna automatically download it like this. But if you downloaded the link in the description, you can have access to everything that I'm using in this video, all the assets. I just wanted to show you guys how I found this. So once you drag and drop this over here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on cutout and then go to Chrome key, make sure this is selected, and then click on color picker, and then click on anywhere on the green screen, and then just increase the strength until this green is fully disappeared. You can also increase the shadow a little bit, but don't make it more than 10 for the shadow. And for the strength, you can even put it 90, like so. And then what we're gonna do is now we're gonna resize this in a reasonable size. That way it's like a mouth right here. You can also zoom in like so, right there, as you guys can see. Now the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna increase all of our assets until it's 15 minutes You can just drag and drop all of them at the same time as well. And then now make this 15 seconds, and then I can use this as a loop in my future videos. You can make a AI channel that is completely, you know, AI made, like with this character, to be honest. You can just drag and drop, click on W, that's it, it's gonna cut everything. And now if I zoom out, right there, you guys can see this is already looking good, but to make things even better, we're gonna add some effects such as leak or leak 2. There's also HDR2 that you can add. To be honest, you can just scroll through all of the different effects that are available out here. Right there, as you guys can see, there's so many different effects, but the one I like the most is Leak 1 right here. And I don't like to use it with the full speed. I like to reduce it to 20, and then the atmosphere less than 50, somewhere around here. And then obviously make this all the way until the end. And now if I play this, check it out. We have this nice little talking animation. If you want to make the mouse speak faster, you can also increase the speed of this green screen video, and that way it's going to talk faster. Also the vice versa, you can make it slower. But you guys get the idea. If you're interested in how to make motion backgrounds, check out this video right here. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe down below. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.